Image overlays allow you to place custom images directly on top of your map. They're perfect for displaying construction plans, historical maps, event layouts, floor plans, or any other custom illustration. To get started, simply create a new layer, select Image, and upload your file. From there, you can resize it, move it into position, rotate it, and even adjust its transparency until it lines up perfectly with your map. Here's a pro tip for perfect alignment. Use existing geographical features like roads or property borders. If you're working on a new construction site, switching to satellite imagery is a great way to pinpoint the exact area. Lowering the image's opacity makes it easier to check that it aligns correctly with the terrain underneath. You can also control exactly when your images appear with their visibility settings. For example, imagine you're creating a real estate development map with multiple construction phases. You can assign image of phase 1 to appear when its category is clicked. You can even make overlays interactive. Instead of simply displaying an image, clicking it can open the map home, a location, a category, or even an external website. As an example, if phase 2 is still in construction, you can link its overlay to a location containing renderings, project details, and estimated timelines, giving visitors a preview before it's finished. And that's it. In just a few clicks, you can transform any image into an interactive, engaging part of your map. Give it a try, and if you have any questions, we're always here to help through the chat.